Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This puts control in your hands. Once screen time is visible, set downtime immediately. Choose start and end times and pick every day or specific days. Make sure to enable share across devices so rules apply to your iPhone and iPad at once. You're doing this to limit distractions and create predictable device-free windows. Once downtime is set, apps will be blocked except those you allow. Next, customize what stays available during downtime. You choose Always Allowed apps, for example phone or messages, so essentials remain. Then add app limits by category or individual apps, specifying daily minutes or hours. This controls daytime overuse as well. Create a screen time passcode to stop immediate changes. That ensures rules hold. You should also review content and privacy settings for stricter controls once configured. These layered limit. Finally, activate downtime and test it by trying a blocked app during the scheduled window. You should see a downtime screen. Monitor screen time reports for 1 to 3 days and tweak schedules or limits based on real behavior. Make sure you balance productivity and access. If downtime doesn't enforce, check that share across devices is on, confirm the screen time passcode isn't disabled, sign into iCloud on all devices, and restart them. That usually resolves sync or enforcement issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.